The lens that got him killed. The case of Ethan Miles. Pay attention to this footage. It's 3:42 p.m., August 19th, 2024, in a quiet suburban block of Cedarfield, Missouri. The man holding the camera, standing by a public sidewalk, is Ethan Miles, a 28-year-old YouTuber known for his fearless First Amendment audit videos. His channel, Miles for Truth, had over 400,000 subscribers and was dedicated to filming public officials and police encounters in open spaces. Across from him, pacing near a marked patrol SUV, is Sergeant Daniel Reeves, a 39-year-old veteran officer with 14 years on the force. His hand rests on his holster, jaw tight, eyes darting between the camera and the bystanders gathering behind it. The camera's red light blinks. It's recording everything. "You're interfering with police business," Reeves says. "This is a public sidewalk," Ethan replies. His tone is calm but firm. The air between them is thick with tension, the kind that builds right before something irreversible happens. Minutes earlier, Reeves had stopped a driver for a broken taillight. Ethan, noticing the flashing lights, parked his car 30 feet away and began recording. Standard practice for his videos. But this time, the officer didn't like it. Witnesses say Reeves ordered him to leave the area. When Ethan refused, citing his constitutional right to film, things escalated fast. A woman's voice in the background whispers, "Oh my God, he's got his gun out." The video jolts as Ethan steps back, still filming. The screen captures the officer advancing. "I said put the camera down," Reeves shouts. "You're violating my rights," Ethan yells back. Then, a flash. A single gunshot. The camera tumbles to the ground, screams erupt. The footage ends mid-frame, focused on the blue sky, the microphone still recording chaos, running footsteps, a panicked voice yelling for help, a child crying from somewhere nearby. By 3:45 p.m., dispatch records confirm multiple 911 calls floating in. "Officer involved shooting, 1 male down," the radio crackles. Responding units arrive to find Ethan Miles lying face down on the curb, his phone still recording beside him. Paramedics pronounce him dead at 3:53 p.m. The footage, unedited, raw, and horrifying, would be uploaded to his cloud storage moments before his phone was confiscated. Within hours, the video spreads across the internet like wildfire. Justice for Ethan trends on X, TikTok, and YouTube. Tens of thousands watch the moment of his death unfold in real time. The Cedarfield Police Department issues a brief statement. An officer-involved shooting occurred during a public safety incident. The situation is under investigation. No mention of Ethan's name, no mention of the camera. But by nightfall, the truth is everywhere. Every news channel plays the same haunting clip. The officer raising his weapon, Ethan saying, "You're violating my rights," and the sound that follows. A deafening echo that silences a nation already torn by debates over police accountability and freedom of speech. Outside the Cedarfield police station, protesters gather by candlelight. Cardboard signs read, "Filming is not a crime." Others, "He died for the First Amendment." Inside the department, Sergeant Reeves is placed on paid administrative leave. Standard procedure for shootings, though it feels anything but standard to the people outside. According to initial reports, Reeves claimed he believed Ethan was reaching for a weapon. No weapon was ever found. Only a phone. Investigators recover the full footage from Ethan's cloud. It shows the final seconds clearly. His left hand open, visible, holding nothing but a tripod base. His right hand gripping the phone steady, voice unwavering even as the officer steps closer. The frame freezes there. 2 men separated by 6 feet of air, one armed with authority, the other armed with truth. That image would become the defining moment of a national debate. But before anyone could process it, before lawyers, politicians, and activists took their turns on television, the raw human reality remained. A man bled to death on a street for pointing a camera at a badge. Neighbors recall the sound of Reeves' voice after the shot. He wasn't shouting anymore. Witnesses say he just stood still, repeating to himself, "He shouldn't have gotten so close, he shouldn't have." Ethan's camera was taken as evidence, but copies of the footage, automatically uploaded, were already on thousands of screens by dawn. By the next morning, the Cedarfield courthouse was surrounded. Reporters, activists, and grieving fans of Miles for Truth demanded one thing: accountability. In less than 12 hours, what started as a local shooting had become a national symbol of everything wrong with the system Ethan fought to expose. To understand how this moment, one bullet, one camera, one confrontation, came to define a movement, we need to go back to the life of the man behind the lens.